In this video, we are going to create the status data method. To comment on this one, over here, we'll be open up your PHP tag and close it here. So this one be dollar load from user, our notation, status data. And this one be dollar story ID for user. Then here will be semicolon. Okay, so now copy everything from here. Then over here, this one be public function and paste it here. Story data, then over here. So this one be the user ID. Dollar user ID. Copy this one from here and paste it here. Remove this one from here, we don't need it. So remove this one from here, we don't need it. So over here, I'm ordering by. So this one be order by story underscore ID. Then this one be this. So I want to first the greater number first. Then over here will be dollar story data is equal to dollar statement our notation fetch all. I want an object, so it will be PDO column fetch underscore obj. Here will be semicolon. Then here will be for each. So this one will be for each dollar status data as dollar user. Then there is it. Then over here will be echo, then single quote, then semicolon. So here, cut this one from here. Then over here, inside it, just paste it there. Okay, so we don't need this one. So this one be single quote, then dot. Then this one to the same thing, single quote. Remove this one from here. Remove this one too from here. Then this one to remove this one from here. This one be single quote, then dot. This one to the same thing, single quote, then dot. Then over here, remove this one from here. We don't need it. This one to be single quote, then dot. Over here, it will be dollar user our notation story underscore image. Okay, so now let's go and test and see whether our logic is working fine. Okay, I think that's it. Okay, now let's refresh it. Click here. So you are getting what? Undefined. Okay, online. Click here and inspect. We are getting undefined, which is good. Okay, so undefined property, full name, online 1 3. Okay, 153 full name. Okay, so let's go and inspect. Stories table. Okay, over here we don't have the user full name over here. So we need to left join, select all from user ID where, okay, no problem. So over here, we did something over here. So this time around, we are also going to left join. So copy this one from here. So select all from story, left join. So this one, let's make it U. Left join X rather. So select all from story, left join users on where S dot user ID is equal to this one, and created that is equal to this one. Okay, and I think that's all, because here to the same thing that we did. Okay. But first, let's test and see whether this one is working fine. So copy this one from here. Let's go to our SQL query. Let's paste it here. So here, instead of this one be 13, and click on go. Okay. So you are getting the data over here. So meaning that our logic has worked. Okay. Okay. So we realize that now we have a full name over here. Okay. So now let's refresh it now. Okay. So this data over here, we are getting it dynamically from our database. And also over here, if we change the parameter to 1, realize it does not exist, so it will direct us to the 404 page, meaning that our logic has worked fine. In the next video, what we are going to work on is this one, uploading a post or creating a post for the user.